If I gave you a detailed step-by-step blueprint of how someone become a multimillionaire, I know for a fact that you wouldn't take those actions. You wouldn't follow that plan. I was just watching an old video there yesterday on YouTube of Bob Proctor, and I was just kind of scrolling through the comments. And one of the comments said, Bob, if only you told us what you did at 26, I know that would help me. Now, what this person was looking for, they were looking for this kind of action plan that Bob followed at 26 that, took him from being broke to becoming a millionaire. And I was reading that comment and I said to myself, even if Bob did give that person those action steps, I know for a fact that they wouldn't take it. And I know that for a fact because how many of us have knowledge but don't take action on it? How many of us know how to have a better relationship with our partner or our kids? How many of us know how to lose weight? How many of us know that, spending time on social media isn't helping us? We have all the knowledge. And even though we have all the knowledge, why aren't we taking action on it? Now, the reason we're not taking action on it is because we don't have the identity of that thing we'd like to be. We unfortunately think that if we gather enough information, well, then we will have the identity of the thing we'd like to do. If we read enough books about writing, well, then there will reach a point where we will feel like a writer, that magically all this information is just going to change your identity. But your identity isn't going to change by consuming content. It's going to change by you actually taking action. And success is evidence, not information. None of us ever look at a multimillionaire and say, something, that multimillionaire is where they are because they have read every book on success. No, we just basically look and say, well, these are the products they've made that made them a millionaire, or this is the service or the songs or movies or whatever, but this is what they did to get there. So we can see by the physical evidence that they have taken of why they're there. And we don't realize that ourselves. We think that we can kind of leapfrog from where we are to that magical identity by just gathering more knowledge. And what I'd say to you right now is if you are maybe stuck in this kind of cog fatigue of hating where you are, maybe hating the job that you're in right now, it's not that you need more information that's going to take you from where you are to where you want to be. The next book isn't going to change your life. The next video is not going to change your life. Because right now you probably know what you need to do, but you just haven't got the courage to do it. And I think the most courageous thing you can do is actually just start messy. Start with what you know at the minute and just take action on it. You don't need to know what you need to know next week or next month or next year. Just start with a little bit of knowledge that you have. Get your hands dirty. Do the messy work. And when you do the messy work, bad and all as it will be in the beginning, it will be evidence that you can actually do the work. You'll become a writer by actually writing badly, but doing it long enough that your writing actually improves, and then you start seeing yourself as a writer. You're never going to buy another book, and this is going to be the book that's going to break the dam, and then suddenly you see yourself as a writer. You're just going to be standing on the sideline, not taking the actions that that writer would take. So what I'd say to you is that, not that I'm trying to kind of demean you or say that you're not up to the job. I just want you to examine your own life. I want you to examine where you are right now, all the books you've read, all the things you've listened to. Why haven't you taken action? Now, do you really think another book or another course or, another guru is going to be the one that's going to transform your life? No. So what you need to do is you need to take action. You need to do the messy work in the lab today. You need to create what you can create, knowing what you know. And when you develop this identity, then you will, create better content, better writing, better videos, better products, or whatever it is. But consuming content isn't going to change your life. So you can't think your way out of identity. And even if you're given all the steps, you wouldn't take them because you don't feel like that person yet. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.